All right, it is seat upgrade time for the Jason or Jasion. We're gonna try this. This was just sent in from Amazon. Check out that big rascal. I'm really not that worried about the seat comfort. It wasn't too bad, but yeah, probably for a long ride I might want a little more. So my stepmom wanted to try a little bigger seat for the Jasion because she'll be riding it too here and there. And ordered that big rascal. So I'm gonna put it on. See how much pain in the butt it is. Hopefully not too much. And let's get into it. Okay, looks like under here. Okay. There's what you're dealing with. Factory. Now looks like I'll have to take those off to get it to mount right. Yep. Yep. It looks like it'll go though. I'll take that apart. This is what they send you. A couple sizes there. Get it to work or fit on any bike, I guess. Okay. Got flies bugging us today. It's a fly day. Alright. Yay. Not worried about this stuff because we don't need it. So I'll go back in the bag. See what kind of balancing act this will take. Probably got an easier way to do this, huh? I got it positioned right. Seems right. Okay. Well, the big seat is on. Look at that thing. I have to get onto it and see how it feels. All right, so far, not bad. I would say, I can't tell if it's more slicky or not. I'm gonna put some miles on it, and I'll get back to you and tell you if I really like it, and how it holds up to our rides. But, there's a little springiness there. Got a little bit. Alrighty, so we'll give this seat a test, see how it holds up, see if it's junk, and get back to you. Boy, it's a hot day too. Doesn't look bad. Looks like it'll be comfy after a long ride. Could be wrong though. Sometimes a big seat like that isn't necessarily the comfiest, but it's got padding. It does got that. I'm not sure if it's the best. But we got it to review, and there it is. So that's a big old seat. Have a good one, folks.